It's not actually easy for the women the way we see it. We feel women are actually the luckiest people on earth because they have the tools, the right tools, they have what it takes because the men rule the world. So if they are able to control the men, then they control the world. That's the mentality we take around. But what about those women we no one use that thing? I'm not saying anybody is better than anybody. No, we all make different life decisions. And in most cases, we men take advantage of these ladies, and there's a lot of that everywhere. They go through stuff. And same for men too. Women will they go through shege. Men can easily give you a certain amount of money because they feel they would gain later in future. They just throw the money out. In most cases, they cannot give their fellow man that money because they feel the fellow man is supposed to suffer and earn the whole cash. So you see, it's not good for the men and it's not good for the women. So don't finish a man and a woman don't finish a woman. I think that helps for growth and elevation also. Thank you.